Hi, I'm Carrie Wells, and welcome to this beautiful home located at the entrance of Aspen. You have over 9,200 square feet on 2 levels, and this is what you see when you walk in the front door. A spacious great room that has it all. This room is anchored by this large stone fireplace. We have the wall of windows that open to the outdoors, and this is all possible because of these steel trusses that allow for this volume. And part of the great room is the hearth room, with casual dining, fireplace, and seating area. And it flows into this huge kitchen with 3 islands: the dining island, the stainless steel island with range, and then we have the prep island, and it keeps on going. The back kitchen has double ovens, freezer, and an additional dishwasher. This home is great for entertaining. We have this pass-through bar that separates the kitchen from the main dining. Also on the main level is this game room, with floor-to-ceiling windows and large enough for a pool table. This home offers single-level living. We're in the primary suite in its own wing. It has a sitting area, fireplace, and straight-on views looking up at Aspen Highlands. There are double spa bathrooms and adjacent office, one of 2 in the home. The lower level, which is accessible with an elevator as well as a grand staircase, provides 4 guest suites, a media room, flex space for fitness and spa treatments, wine cellar, laundry, and abundant storage. You have luxury inside as well as outside. You have multiple seating areas, fire pit, and a hot tub. You have the perfect location. You're minutes away from skiing at Aspen Highlands and Buttermilk. You are across the street from the Aspen Golf Course with tennis and pickleball. You're close to the public schools and Nordic trails and biking trails that lead you into Aspen. There's an additional opportunity with this property. The adjacent lot, which is over an acre, has a 4-bedroom home, so you could create the ultimate compound. This home is in one of the most accessible locations in all of Aspen, so come either bike, walk, or drive to see this incredible home.